Hey everyone guys, welcome back, and in this tutorial I'm going to guide you through the steps to verify your Capital One card, okay, for use with Apple Pay. Now this process actually guys is very quick and easy, so let's get started guys. First things first, what I want you to do is I want you to open the wallet app on your iPhone and just tap on the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. Next guys, what we need do is I want you to select credit or debit card, and then it basically just use your iPhone's camera to just scan your Capital One card. And if you prefer, guys, you can actually just manually enter the card details by just selecting enter card details manually, okay? And after you enter your card information, guys, Apple Pay will actually ask you to verify your identity. So Capital One will basically send a verification code either by text message or email, depending on what you have linked to your account. And once, guys, you receive the code, you just want to enter it in the wallet app to complete the verification process. And, guys, if everything's correct, your Capital One card will be added to Apple Pay. And you're ready to basically use it, guys. And that's it, guys. Now you can make payments easily with your Capital One card through Apple Pay. And, guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, okay? Don't forget to comment. And of course, guys, make sure you subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you guys in the